Hello everyone, I am Mayuri Pawar, volunteer at Shivi Forensics. In this video, I'll be explaining about Introduction to Cybersecurity. Firstly, I'll be explaining what do you mean by cybersecurity. Cybersecurity involves the protection of systems, data from digital threats, ensuring safety of personal information and business critical data in our increasingly connected world. Firstly, it aims to safeguard sensitive information. It ensures systems operate reliably and prevent digital threats or attacks. Why cybersecurity is needed? First, to protect privacy and sensitive data. Second, to ensure the data remains accurate and unaltered, preventing tampering, corruption, or fraud. To help organizations comply with regulations, safeguard reputation, and avoid financial, legal, and operational losses. So there are five main factors which are important in cybersecurity. First, confidentiality. Second, integrity. Third, availability. Fourth, authentication. Fifth, non-repudiation. The CIA triangle is very important. First, it deals with the confidentiality. Confidentiality means sensitive information can only be accessed by authorized users or systems. Unauthorized people are prevented from seeing or obtaining it. It helps keep private or sensitive data like personal information, password, business secrets safe from leak, theft, or unauthorized disclosure. So, integrity second. Integrity means data stays accurate and unaltered. It cannot be changed, corrupted, or tampered with by unauthorized parties. It ensures that information remains trustworthy and reliable. Availability. Availability means information and systems are accessible to authorized users whenever needed without undue delay or disruption. It ensures that service data and resources remain usable and operational even in face of hardware failures, attacks or system overloads. So, scope of cybersecurity, it is very important in first healthcare, second banking and finance, third education academic, fourth retail and e-commerce, fifth government and public sector. Conclusion: cybersecurity protects digital systems, networks, and data from unauthorized access, misuse, or attacks. There is need of cybersecurity as it protects personal, financial, business data. It prevents from fraud, data breach, and financial loss. It ensures continuous operation of services and systems, maintains trust, reputation, and regulatory compliance. Its application across sectors. It is used in healthcare, finance, education, retail, government, industry, telecom, critical infrastructure. Thank you.